Welcome back. Once we have completed the two files creation, the purpose of creating these two files is in Sumo we have different vehicles. All the vehicles should be clubbed into one file called as trace.xml and attach the mobility for all these vehicles. So these two files are required to run in ns3 software. So once we look out into this mobility.tcl, the number of nodes, I checked out the number of nodes are 91. So once we know the uh, number of nodes, so we need to jump on to the ns3 software. So ns3 is software. um, in ns3 software we need to run uh, this the command in order to see uh, how the execution happens. So by running this file, we observe that one ns I'll tell you once the execution completes. So this is the execution we observe. It takes time. It generates scenario based vehicles moving from acting as nodes from one location to the other location, how they were moving in Sumo. So the vehicles are transformed to nodes. Once the this execution completes, we have not yet generated the network animator. So to do that, we have to use or before we run this file, I just forgot to tell you one simple thing. ns2 mobility trace file, for this is the already available file in ns3. That file is present in source mobility examples. That has to be copied to scratch folder. In that is where we can run all the files to run from the scratch folder. So once we paste this file, and only then this particular file will run. And in order to hold the animator, one I will just show that certain things have to be um, edited in ns2 file. I'll just show you some one or two lines have to be edited. This was initially not there. We need to add this line. Then one more thing is this line. So I will just make one small changes. um, So I will create one file. It was already created, but this line I have added before I have run this video. So I will just show you once again. This line have to be edited, written with the above header file. So once these two changes are made, rerun the file again. So again it will take little time to compile and run again. Once we run this, we can observe the animated file created in ns3. So that file can be run in animator now. So the animation can be seen now for all these vehicles which were moving in sumo. In ns3 we can observe in the form of an animator. Once this execution completes, I will switch over to network animator and show you how exactly it will work. Once the execution is done, go back to your network anim. So here, this is the command. Um, So in this, here you need to select the file, the file which was present in go to ns. um, the file was present in this, so I have selected this. I mean the specific file which has to be um, mean select accordingly the and run. So we can just tell from slow to fast, or we can even see the nodes moving. If you enhance little more, we can see the nodes moving. So if it is fast or slow, depending on any manner, you can observe. So the nodes moving, we can observe clearly. So this is how we can generate sumo. From sumo, we can generate vehicles and they're moving, and convert them to nodes and pass it on to your ns3 and correspondingly run. If for add-on to this, you can create GNU plots and trace matrix analysis as well. Thank you.